the test which will be named as a greatest mind reader. So greatest mind reader as a name itself, which reads all your mind. So it's a magic. So just a small puzzle for testing all your eyes. Participants, it's my kind request to pick a 2-digit number. To pick a 2-digit number. Normally, all of them very much familiar about the 2-digit number. 2-digit number lies between 10 to 99. So pick a 2-digit number. That's fine. I'm also picking a 2-digit number. The number is 23. Similar way, you can pick a 2-digit number. That's fine. Add the 2 digits. My number is 23. So I have add the 2 digits. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Fine. Similar way, you can add the 2 digits. Please do parallelly. So pick a 2-digit number, add the 2 digits. Now you are having 2 numbers on your hand. Now you are having 2 numbers on your hand. One, the 2-digit number 23. Another one, there is addition result 5. Another one, the addition result 5. Please subtract the addition result from the original number. Please subtract the addition result 5 from the original number 23. Yes, fine. All of them having your result on your hand. I'm having a board. The board having number lies between 0 to 99. I hope your result also placed on the board. Each and every number in the right hand side, there is a symbol. Each and every number in the right hand side, there is a symbol. Please view the symbol for your result. Please view the symbol for your result. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. The system which will respond, the answer was yes. Is it correct or not? Participants, please use chat box. Yes or no. I think afternoon session participants are not active. Still very less reply. No, some no. Why? Please pick another 2-digit number. I will try one more time. No issue. Please pick another 2-digit number. Please pick another 2-digit number. Yes, fine. Add the 2 digits. Add the 2 digits. Subtract the result from the original number. Subtract the result from the original number. Yes, fine. Now you are having result on your home. Now there is a board. In that board, comprising of 0 to 99. Your result also placed on that board. So you can see the symbol for your result. Please try now. Yes, fine. Now the result is this. Yes, it's correct or not? Please use chat box again. Yes. 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 How it's possible? Greatest mind reader which reads all your mind. Is it possible? No. So some simple mathematical trick which plays a vital role. So pick a 2-digit number, add the 2 digits and subtract the result from the original number. The results are summation of 9. That is 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 or 63 or 72, 81. All the numbers are placed in different location of board, but which have the same number, same symbol. So that's what, not a greatest mind reader, just for